And what's up, guys? GPStuntMan back again with another review. Logitech G710 Plus gaming keyboard. I've had this for a little over 5 years, and it's been working fine until recently. Started having issues with my spacebar button, and I'll show you here real quick. When I tap it, normally I tap it when I game on the left side, and what it's doing now is it's not registering. Doing it intermittently, so it works fine when I press it in the middle, but when I tap it on the end, it's starting to I think the keycap is coming loose. It's probably worn or something. There's two stabilizers, one on each side, and I took the cap off yesterday, and the stabilizer is sitting all the way down, so I'm not sure if there's used to be a spring in there, and the spring tension is has broken on both sides. So when I start tapping it too quick, you can see how it starts teeter-tottering and it doesn't register. So it only does it when I tap it on the edge, and then if I push it back down, then it's fine. So it's kind of irritating that it does during game, especially when you're trying to jump or mantle, or you're in a gunfight and you try to do a jump shot. Bought this back in June of 2015, and yeah, it's time to replace. So as you can see, it's doing it again. Let me see if I can take this off real quick. Alright guys, upon further inspection of this spacebar keycap, I found that these little sockets have micro cracks on them. Because of those cracks, it's not having enough tension to hold onto the switch and onto the stabilizer portion of the plug there. So this is what's causing the keycap to come off. So I did find on Amazon there's a replacement keycap for this keyboard. There's generic effects, Corsair, Logitech, and stuff like that. So I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. And I think the going price right now is like 10 bucks. Check out that link if you guys need to replace this, and then I'll probably do another video later on once I get that new keycap in, see if this actually fixes the problem or not. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll have this keyboard listed in the description, as long as with more current Logitech keyboards also listed in the descriptions. And if you guys link over, check them out. If you guys decide to buy one of those keyboards, Amazon will send me over a small commission. Alright guys, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, turn those notifications if you do subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.